How about you get off your phone and make me a chicken parm?
I'll make myself a chicken parm. How about that?
Dad, where you going? Let me get a bite.
Junior, there we go. You're like a pain in my hemorrhoids. Leave me alone. It's my lunch.